Okay, so strawberry legs, we're talking about it. Those little dark dots on your legs that look like the seeds on a strawberry. Right after shaving, in the light, when you're trying to wear a cute outfit, and suddenly all you can see are those tiny dark spots staring back at you. You've tried shaving more carefully, you've tried shaving less, you've Googled it 17 times, you've bought products that promised results and delivered disappointment. So today, we are cutting through all of that. No fluff, no products that don't work, just what strawberry legs actually are, why you have them, and exactly what works to get rid of them. Because once you understand what's causing them, the solution becomes incredibly clear. Let's get into it. First, what strawberry legs actually are, because most people are treating the wrong thing. Strawberry legs is not one single condition. It's actually a few different things that look similar, and getting rid of them starts with knowing which one you're dealing with. The most common cause, enlarged or clogged pores and hair follicles. When your pores are clogged with dead skin cells, oil, and bacteria, and then exposed to air, they oxidize, turning dark, exactly like a blackhead on your face. That's what you're seeing, dark, oxidized pores. The second cause, ingrown hairs. Hair that curls back into the skin instead of growing out creates a dark bump that looks like a strawberry seed. Very common after shaving, especially on dry or unexfoliated skin. The third cause, keratosis pilaris, small, rough bumps caused by a buildup of keratin protein that blocks the hair follicle, often appears on the backs of arms and thighs as well as lower legs. The fourth, dry skin. When your skin is severely dry, the pores and follicles look more pronounced and darker. Sometimes what looks like strawberry legs is actually just severely dehydrated skin that needs moisture more than anything else.
Step 1. Exfoliate. This is the foundation of the fix. Whatever is causing your strawberry legs, clogged pores, ingrown hairs, keratosis pilaris, exfoliation is the first and most important step. Without it, nothing else works properly. You need to exfoliate your legs 2 to 3 times a week, not just in the shower with a loofah, an actual dedicated exfoliation with the right product. For strawberry legs specifically, chemical exfoliation wins. A body lotion or wash with salicylic acid or glycolic acid. Salicylic acid goes into the pore and dissolves the congestion inside it. Glycolic acid smooths the skin surface and speeds up cell turnover. Both work on the root cause of those dark dots. The ordinary glycolic acid toning solution, apply it to your legs after showering with a cotton pad before moisturizing. Under $5. Genuinely effective. Amlactin body lotion contains lactic acid, a gentle AHA that exfoliates and moisturizes simultaneously. Available at any drugstore. One of the most consistently recommended products for strawberry legs for a reason. It works. CeraVe SA Smoothing Lotion, salicylic acid in a gentle daily lotion formula. Use it every day for maintenance once the condition improves. If you prefer physical exfoliation, a sugar scrub or exfoliating mitt used in circular motions on your legs before shaving. This is especially important for ingrown hair prevention. Exfoliate before every single shave.
Step 2. Fix your shaving routine, because how you shave is directly causing this. If ingrown hairs and clogged follicles are your main issue, and for most women they are, your shaving routine needs a complete reset. Rule 1. Never dry shave. Ever. Dry shaving drags the razor across unprotected skin, cuts the hair at a harsh angle, and creates the perfect conditions for ingrown hairs and follicle irritation. Always use a shaving cream, shaving gel, or even a generous amount of hair conditioner as a shaving lubricant. Rule 2. Exfoliate before you shave, every single time. This lifts the hair away from the skin so the razor can cut it cleanly rather than dragging through dead skin buildup. Rule 3. Shave in the direction of hair growth first. Against the grain gives a closer shave, but dramatically increases ingrown hairs and follicle irritation. Shave with the grain first. If you want to go against the grain, do it as a second pass only after the first pass with the grain. Rule 4. Change your razor regularly. A dull razor drags, pulls, and cuts unevenly, causing exactly the kind of follicle trauma that creates those dark dots. Change your razor blade every 5 to 7 shaves. A sharp blade glides cleanly and makes an enormous difference. Rule 5. Cold water rinse after shaving. Close those follicles immediately after the razor has been over them. Cold water constricts the pore opening and reduces the chance of debris getting in. Step 3. Moisturize aggressively every single day. Dry skin makes every version of strawberry legs worse. The dark dots look more pronounced, the skin looks rougher, and the follicles look larger on dehydrated skin. Consistent daily moisturizing is not optional, it is part of the treatment. Apply body lotion or body oil to your legs every single day, immediately after showering while your skin is still slightly damp. This timing is everything. Damp skin absorbs moisture far better than dry skin, and your moisturizer seals in the water already on your skin, rather than just sitting on top. The best ingredients for strawberry legs specifically: urea, lactic acid, glycolic acid, salicylic acid. These moisturizers exfoliate while they hydrate, which means every time you moisturize, you're simultaneously treating the condition. Amlactin, already mentioned above, but worth repeating because it does both jobs, moisturizes and exfoliates. Use it daily on your legs consistently for 4 to 6 weeks, and the improvement is genuinely significant. Gold Bond Rough and Bumpy, specifically formulated for keratosis pilaris and rough, bumpy skin, contains AHAs and BHAs along with moisturizing ingredients, another consistently effective drugstore option. Step 4. Consider hair removal alternatives to shaving. If you've fixed your shaving routine and are still struggling, it might be time to consider whether shaving is simply not the right hair removal method for your skin type. Some skin types are simply more prone to ingrown hairs and follicle irritation from shaving, regardless of how carefully it's done. And for those skin types, other methods produce dramatically better results. Sugaring, similar to waxing, but uses a natural sugar paste that removes hair in the direction of growth rather than against it. Significantly fewer ingrown hairs than waxing or shaving, and because the sugar paste adheres to dead skin cells as well as hair, it simultaneously exfoliates, leaving skin smoother. Epilating removes hair from the root like waxing, but with an electric device at home. Takes getting used to, but after consistent use for several weeks, the hair grows back finer, the follicles become less reactive, and strawberry legs improves significantly over time. Laser hair removal, the most permanent solution, destroys the hair follicle over multiple sessions, reducing hair growth, follicle congestion, and therefore strawberry legs significantly. More of an investment, but genuinely effective long-term if shaving is consistently causing you problems. Step 5. Be consistent, because this is a condition, not a one-time fix. This is the part most people miss. Strawberry legs, regardless of which version you have, is a skin condition that responds to consistent treatment, not a one-time product application, not a single good shave. Consistent routine over time. What consistent looks like: exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week without skipping, moisturize every single day, fix your shaving routine every single time you shave. Give it 4 to 6 weeks of this before you judge the results, because skin cell turnover takes time, and the dark, oxidized debris in your pores takes time to clear. Women who successfully get rid of strawberry legs don't find a magic product. They build a routine and they stick to it. The products are almost secondary to the consistency. Your complete strawberry legs routine written out simply. Every shower, exfoliate with a chemical exfoliant or scrub before shaving. Shave correctly, prep, correct direction, sharp blade. Cold water rinse after shaving. Every day, moisturize legs immediately after showering on damp skin with a lotion containing AHA or BHA ingredients. 2 to 3 times a week, dedicated chemical exfoliation with glycolic acid toning solution or salicylic acid body wash on legs. Give it 4 to 6 weeks of consistency. Take a before photo now, compare in 6 weeks. Here's what I need you to take away. Strawberry legs are not permanent. They are not something you have to cover up forever or feel self-conscious about every time you want to wear shorts or a skirt. They are a treatable skin condition that responds consistently and predictably to the right routine. Exfoliate, fix your shave, moisturize daily, be consistent, give it time. That's it. That's what actually works. Not a miracle product, not an expensive treatment, just the right routine done consistently until your skin responds. And it will. Go get your legs out, sis. They're going to be just fine. If this finally explained what's been going on with your legs and what to actually do about it, share it with a girlfriend who needs to hear this, and subscribe because we talk about everything around here. I will see you in the next one.